Hey, what's up everybody? Keith Rainville here, the Fat Yankee, my friends. So listen, we're gonna make some beef jerky today. We're gonna make some fragmented beef jerky. You know I've been on a fragmented beef jerky kick, right? So we are gonna use fresh Thai chilies. This is a sweet and spicy Thai chili beef jerky. It's a fragmented or ground beef jerky, and ground beef is actually becoming one of my favorite things to make here. Okay, guys. So listen, when you're using ground beef, you want to use something that's 90% leaner or better. Okay, so you see the 80% in the store. You want to just go a step above that 90% lean, and that's what we have here today. Each recipe that I do for fragmented, guys, is about 2 pounds of fragmented jerky. Now, just remember, if you're gonna make more than that, obviously just double or triple the recipe, depending on the weight of the meat, okay? So let's get started, my friends. We're gonna put our ingredients in here. You know, we start off with our soy sauce. We're gonna be using some chipotle pepper today, some granulated garlic, and in my fragmented beef jerky, I always use just a little bit of sodium nitrate, okay? Because there's a little bit more of a risk with ground beef than whole muscle beef jerky, okay? So we're gonna use some brown sugar. We got some sweet Thai chili here, and I'm gonna put this up close so you guys can see what brand I use, because I get a lot of questions on what brand I use for the sweet Thai chili. This is great stuff, okay? Great dipping sauce for some egg rolls too, by the way. And we're gonna use some black pepper, and of course, we get our fresh Thai chilies here. We're gonna use about 3 of them in this recipe today. Okay, my friends, so listen, I am going to start by putting my ingredients in this bowl. When I'm using sodium nitrate with ground beef, I tend to put it in a bowl like this so I can mix it up a little bit easier, okay? So let's get started, guys. Let's get the kids in the pool, you know it, right? So let's get started. Okay, so we're gonna start off with some soy sauce here, guys. And we're gonna use 1/4 of a cup of soy sauce for this recipe. All right, just a 1/4. Now, when you're using doing a ground beef jerky, you don't want to add too much fluid. I like to keep it under a 1/2 cup or just a little bit above that, but no more than a no more than a 1/2 cup of fluid. Okay, so don't go crazy with the fluid, or you'll make your ground beef jerky watery, and you don't want that, guys. Okay, so we got some sweet chili we're going to use here. And for this is one of the main ingredients, so we're going to use 1/3 of a cup of sweet chili. All right. Get that in there like that. And let me just rinse this out because we're going to use this again. Alrighty. So now what we're going to add to this is we're going to add a tablespoon of chipotle pepper to this. 1 tablespoon. This is going to give it that nice little background spice besides the Thai chili. So 1 tablespoon of chipotle pepper. All right. Then we're going to put in our 1/4 of a teaspoon of sodium nitrate. Just be careful, guys. Make sure you're not using too much of this. 1/4 of a teaspoon. Absolutely perfect. Sodium nitrate is in there. Now this is going to give this jerky about a year's shelf life, okay, when we're using that sodium nitrate. All right, now we got some black pepper. Whew, that pepper is hitting me, guys. So we got some black pepper. We use a teaspoon of black pepper, not a heaping teaspoon, just a regular flat teaspoon of black pepper. And we are almost there. We're going to use 1/3 of a cup of brown sugar, my friends. All right. And this is going to give it that nice sweetness that we're looking for. All right. 1/3 of a cup of brown sugar. Awesome. Bingo. We are done with that. Now, our 2 more ingredients. We got our granulated garlic we're going to put in here, and then our fresh Thai chilies. So we're going to put 1 teaspoon of granulated garlic in here. All right. And then last but not least, our fresh Thai chilies, okay? So we're just gonna put that in there. I use seeds and all. I like it nice and spicy. All right, just like that. Now remember, guys, when you're cutting these bad boys up and you're using them with your hands and cutting them over the ears, don't go touching your eyes with this stuff, okay? Yeah, it's not, doesn't make for a good scene. So keep this stuff away from your eyes. So listen, guys, we've got all our ingredients in the pool here. All the kids are in there swimming around, and we're gonna mix this up real quick. Let me grab my mixer, just like this. All right, and you see, that's not, it's nice thickening up a little bit because of that brown sugar. Just like that. Nice and easy. Now we're gonna put this, mix this in our ground beef. Just like that. Here we go, my friends. I'm gonna mix this up and show you what it looks like. Now, I only marinate my fragmented jerky for 24 hours, okay? So, just because we don't have to, wait to draw out that salt like we do when we do home muscle. When we do home muscle, if you can remember from some of my other videos, we marinate it for 48 hours, okay? So this one here, I only do for 24. That's what that looks like, guys. 24 hours, and we're gonna mix this up real good. This is a nice, sweet and spicy Thai chili beef sticks. And this actually is gonna get a lot darker by tomorrow, okay? You're gonna get all that flavor in there. Nice and sweet with a little spicy. Everybody loves a sweet and spicy beef jerky. I don't know too many people who don't, but this is what it looks like. We're gonna put this in the cannon tomorrow. I can see those nice pieces of Thai chili in there. And that's it. That's it. We got it mixed up real good, guys. Sweet Thai chili beef sticks, guys. From the Fat Yankee, my friends. Nice and easy, guys. This is great stuff. Watch my videos on how I cook this up, or get in my beef jerky masterclass. Comes with my cookbook. 3-hour class, guys. It gives you a lot of information, especially if you're a beginner, my friends. But hey, listen, this is the Fat Yankee, baby. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, my friends, and we'll see you in the next one. Take care.